Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling VoiceOver on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. VoiceOver will speak the items on the screen. This is helpful for people with reduced vision. To enable VoiceOver, press the digital crown to open the App menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and select Accessibility. Tap VoiceOver. Then tap the toggle to the right of VoiceOver to enable or disable the setting. Your watch will now speak what is on the screen. You can tap on an item to have the watch speak that item. To select the highlighted item, double tap it when it is selected. If you scroll down the VoiceOver settings, you can customize lots of different things, such as the voice, volume, and speaking rate. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.